Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba, and found Bragana, Sam TVGH, Mesro, like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video with Seria, we sound like heavy. Mr. President, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Menzgold for Ebisa Musika. Yeah, Menzgold for ɛlse or Musika and Ewan here. And Ebusian for, in case you have forgotten, just 2024. If you go back and go and watch clips, promises His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, yeah, no, just say anything to get vote. Anything and everything to get vote. President John Dramani Mahama, mun himself promises Oba Nkrofo omo sika ye locked up. See illegal banking setup clean up or something like that. Okawie ye no. Ni communication director.
Within a year in office, we will pay the full amount due every victim of the reckless handling of the financial sector cleanup.
And we are saying yes, Menzgold for Mumirini. Say first
Allah. Mahama can.
I end this for communication director is a medium fee. Echo Asempa FM Koka say within 1 year of John Mahama coming back to power, Menzgold for customers na omechu amuka. Yeah, that is what he came to. He said. Obi Bisana said, "Oh yeah, sure say, Ombe refunding Menzgold customers or say Annie. We are sure. Sami Jefi say Annie. Now, John Mahama has been in power for the past 18 months, right? Yeah, 18 months. There is no sign, no single sign say Menzgold customers are going to be paid. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we need to say on kain posa waka bibisa. Elections indeed have consequences. But you see, we are using this medium to let the president know that not all of us have short memories. And some of us can vividly recollect this promise that he has made to Ghanaians. If the president thought, said the era that you could just say anything and maybe there are no records kept, this time around, social media, Daruma, records are there. And we have the president on tape who has given his word. So, we are waiting the calendar for the repayment of Menzgold for customers. No? Calendar, no Bible, for will keep you updated. All right? But let's share the news. John Mahama, His Excellency, has promised this. And he must fulfill it. He must. Right?
Within a year in office, we will pay the full amount due every victim of the reckless handling of the financial sector cleanup.
And we are saying yes, Menzgold for Mumirini. Say first Allah.
Mahama can and run Menzgold can.
They are all parts. Yes, all financial institutions. Not present this for
including Menzgold.
Yes, of course. All of them. All those institutions.
No, are you certain about that? Because details.
I am telling you, they are all parts.
Menzgold.
Wherever they are listening to me now, I am speaking in my capacity as communications officer of the party. All of them are covered under this promise. They will all be paid back.
In 1 year.
When it has said John Dramani Mahama, Baba betrio munyina sika mo microfinance, Menzgold, savings and loans, ye betrio munyina sika mo you fool. They can identify with this rescue mission.
Betria Menzgold for also.
All of them.
An unregulated entity?
Unregulated for corruption. We are going to some equipment. NCA case. Any daily the board chairman of NCA under Mahama, your friend Eugene Bafuboni, he is the brother of the current Chief Justice. And the Kufuor dealing is 6 years for Sassem. Minyano, we MPP now or chance at Ghana. Because you will never get fair justice anywhere in Ghana. I'm telling you. You will not get fair justice. Once this Chief Justice is in power, you won't. They have an axe to grind. They have an axe to grind. And the Kufuor already going for almost 4 years. Why? Because under Mahama, no one tia license fee. And a pilot grew for so many years. Because their government was in power. Until Kufuor buy and enforce so long. No more bill no so. And a case of politics. And the Kufuor two registrations and no more common 2 months. Let's be brave. But Radio Gold went offline too for almost 4 years. And they have an act to grind because Ali, you will not get a fair hearing anywhere. You will not. But if you ask me want to make case, me dream one. I mean, I say, only pana, ono ye, bonini momuno, ono momu ye witness. Like how? I mean, be that. Say hitman a witness to. Yes, normally the hitman will testify against your high, for a reduced sentence. But say, or no can be crying or witness. No, I know they be doing one in Chassis. I know Trevor say, I said, no, you do what they must and you're bad one team. How am I running case? No, Ghana case when you dinner. You didn't intend saying. Because man, no, Ninia, Chief Justice, no, his brother was jailed by Kufuor's government. Now, judge now, or Tina Assembly, no, judge the Musumano. Your friend of Justice Eric Bafo, Tamucho, Munina, keep an eye out for that man. What they ever to some man in coming days. But these guys, they are petty, they don't forgive, they are vindictive, and they will go all after the judge. And Timama Baya, all nominating Supreme Court, no, that man didn't get nominated because in their books, that man has imprisoned Venison, one of their own. Oh, but the people of Ghana will see, say, oh my mistake. And I will check the quality of MPs. What's that 186 Nimuna? You were like, are these people really MPs? Like the panel, what's the bro for cry the mom. And I say we are on to Bravano on to Bravano only answer. But like Kaka Rebecca, good morning, good afternoon, dear. Also to me articulating as a member of parliament. Because says Koshia Ngofo Abuchira, Kaka or Becca Brofana no medal. But squad we are mobile, I want to insist on buying the voice, Brofo cry as a mom. The quality low. I didn't yeah, but you know, won't will be out. He will be out.
As a mikune, Sabia, we won't put on him who be a micro misrow.
Kana a dom coy na yes is a foreign good on them tables.
Yen now reconciliation no your man penny could fall by ye no by ye and ye won't be o. Ye won't be o. Yen now go so ewo videos ewo why you go so share the kaka ye maame no oyedi eni okunu yedi eni enyo no bo okunu achi dom so on sampam yen enhwa ye mu fom apietu kasa na wo ba hanom ne ye ka ye nua no ye asantefo bi atam na wo ye wadwen se wo ba be shit e be shout ye na ma so ye be ka
voice winning bibi me wo wani ti anansen asem e ba ya daddy lumba ne ni asem nua be ma me kugina mu pa ho no na menya another impression ma union master first day na me feel say me da okra so mu titia me so ba me ko ba ye na menya another impression that there be said ye hu na kirenya sa nete your voice NDC fu afa ekwamboni bi so pese omo bra santiman ase mami musa o ene yenkwa santiman mu se ye wa santiman mu na makwa akoyi akani ba ana santini ba no ba be ye MCE wo mampon na yenya isifu ni idisu ni mamu na mu asole se ye mpene party aba ama nana sabi mampon mai ne wanya ba bi ko e ka kire ewura dwon ma se ye srawo de onkrofo ne na emwa ntibeya fa baba we ye si homa yen president mamutie no okole ni brof susompa because of idris ni mumu ni isifu maka sento osesan anya santimem na sebe omudi ade voice me pache wo ye research ma me na wo de ensemtrofo adwumane enkonko pam obi no mu atiti asempa eje ayi kensim hunu no emfiri ho ne enfa nkotron voice ko voter origin me na wo se wo kona be hu ya ayi wo be hu boaten no hu afeliwa ne ayi apitu amu edipose ho ma ho be se bi kwa apia na aboa voice mama nkase mu nkira wo abrantie bi ye friend Kevin Taylor no oti aburu kira wo bi TV bi me pacho no odi tonwom ana no de kanyame azam
odi twa da pa
kan mama emfa kutu
pacho me das
ko voter region enye se bi o mu ni boaten ni man ni de kan hu uko peki o mu kuta santifo din but ye fo mu nye da fo mu nye minister ya o mu fo mu nye da Peki for majority about 30% of people from Peki crying near Ukraine. I'm telling you,
and me bow offer me see me bow abrantia me boni din sabi na nyanya menwom no oto na nyam pai bo no obo na nya sole na nya teacher ni no o kire de me mumu no ya bi studio man se undi atem na himfo na no odi o matempa sabi ohimpon etupitria na president Mahama yin adwemboni akuni edrimnika kone nasna na dimachi but no wa package asheda abua brand na support no otiabrochire edi atem sabe yase asemeni adanse ni etwa bi adanse odi yemfa ne so ono na wo mu ade na wakoti ni TV
na apietwe minjwa no meleketio bi wrem
yes
yenkofo no NPP for ye ni strategy ba hokra and it's for your strategy but yenkofo no kan sem bi kire mu omonti the moment o de mama twa de ba akon ma NPP for onye o ma no so mbeboa me ama voice ni be biasi etimi afa ya we for NPP for na do mu nipa bi ba say mpenifo bi di ne hu nipa ba say we yemwa we yemfa we na enko wo de ne hu nipa ba NDC for no me mpese me kemi sa ensem ya di ti ama wontumi enya me no obi di nkomo obie ni me bi so ani so kire me a chema wontumi ke ntimi mfa ne ntum dabi ma wontumi se ke NDP for strategy a ka chema wontumi mfa ne ntum
na obi a ya di ninu atomo
no so omunim de omuma na ye
wonim voice said ye make no Kevin Taylor di atebi o was tabi of 4 pinso na mabo mu ase na so odi na temo a wo no bisa se entiwe oye Ghana ni
because obi bi obeka NDC asem no na Kevin Taylor e de information bi aba no wa so panipa no ane nipa no so obeka it was a journalist from mu so obeka NDC asem because mu ka Kevin Taylor ba bi trouble mu e di strategy ni bi dia je strategy asem so ka asem a na NDC for the information asma Kevin Taylor said judge we na ti asem wie so twabo no mani mu so we say abega ti asem no
ayi ni asem a na ye kan ya ayi kire say MPP to be honest MPP for banning for no omunye strategy because about 6 months ago